Jeez. Like you just come off the plane colors.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
It's Queen Imina coming to you from ghetto to goddess.
$3,000 a year from Angela from the UK.
Thank you so much, Angela from UK.
African woman original, see me wifey material. Miss style be so mystical, makes me not so typical. Be who I am, love where me from. Original African woman, the creator of a master plan, and with wisdom we overstand.
There man, it's Anunnaki life scene. For Black Lives Matter, for all the brains them splattered, oh, with your professional shatters, oh, cracking brain like a crackers, eh.
That's who raising them from out of the grave.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, blessed love guys, blessed love, welcome. So anything guys, so as you can see from the title, you know, as you can see, my sister returned back to Jamaica, you know, so well, she didn't reach Jamaica as yet, you know, she didn't reach Jamaica as yet, so it's been a delayed flight, you know, because she meant to reach from literally, the original time was like 5:17, something like that. Yeah, but it kept delay. So the last delay now is 10:37 p.m. You know, and that's what they're expecting the arrival from. You know, so I don't know, keep on delaying. So you know, sometimes you can't bother complaining. You know, it is what it is. So I'm on my way now. You know, heading to the airport. Even though I'm early still, you know, but I must make sure I'm gonna get there from now. Let's go and relax till when time she's ready to touch down, you know, so it's a late one from the UK, you know, so sister Felly's here, you know, and sister is here, so blessed love, so move it, walk on, you're next, you know, and my daughter, she's so upset right now because she meant to be on that flight as well too, you know, but don't worry, Diamond, you're coming soon, you're coming soon. Yes guys, so blessed love. So guys, so I'm on my way now, so please remember to put the thumbs up, you know, like the video if you haven't liked the video as yet. So I'm gonna stop out at this up by the roundabout. That's where them have the soup spot. They get all different type of soup. You know, I'm gonna pick up myself a soup as well. Get one of them skunk soup, you know, one of them seafood soup. So I don't know if you know that. Yes, right over by the roundabout by Harbour View, you know, they always sell all different type of soup, so that's where I'm going to head to get a soup, you know, and then just head on my journey down here. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned on the journey. Remember please, if you haven't put the thumbs up, go ahead and put the thumbs up. You know, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, you know, support, be a part of this family and this journey. By just giving a helping hand. And also guys, as I mentioned before, my music channel is going to be out soon, you know, so whenever it's out I'll start sharing the link, you know, so I got a music video shoot coming up as well too, you know, for that song, so trust me guys, when that drop, you know, I just need you guys to go over there and support. So that's the support where I'm expecting, you know, from you guys to show me that love. You know, when that music video is out, you know, you can go and support it. You know, you can buy it, can stream it, anything you want, you can do it. You know, so that is where I'm gonna ask you guys now to go and support me. That's the first time I'm gonna ask. So guys, can you support me? You know, so music, you know, is definitely me, you know, that's definitely part of me that been put away for like a couple of years now, you know, so it's been a while. I haven't done music, it's like a decade. Yeah, about a decade now since I done that song, my intro. Me don't know where them are pre about. That done like a decades ago, you know, and it's still going on same way. So yeah, so I feel good, you know, that I'm gonna finally release something here, you know, now in Jamaica. I'm well settled, you know, well get used to the community of music here in Jamaica. So that's why I'm gonna ask you guys to go and support my track, you know. And remember, when I start to share the link, you guys can go over and subscribe, you know, and stay tuned whenever the video is gonna drop. So I'll keep you more posted whenever the time get more closer, you know, so you won't miss nothing. So you'll see everything when I go on. Trust me, you know, so best of luck, man. So let me take you on my journey right now. And the first stop is gonna be in the soup spot. I'm gonna get some soup and then head on to the airport. This guy, wow, this is a conch soup. Hot. Aye, this one was something with it. Hot, hot, hot like fire. So this is the conch soup I'm having. Nice. It's very hot though, very, very hot. So can taste the body, taste the okra in it, so much okra. Gummy. You want a gummy? For the back. Strong it up, you know. It's good. So I'm gonna head on to the airport because the plane is about to land. So airport next. Alright, so touchdown! Like I mean touchdown. Olive colors. Olive colors there here. Colors not really miss UK flight, you know. Still drinking my soup. Down here is not busy still. Colors. I'm that over there. See him there just time. Colors.
What's up?
You zone out.
Oh, come on with it.
Colors is zone out.
Building.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had to lose.
No, just I'm playing some games right here.
Yeah, that's the Colors zone out.
Yeah, the British flight just touched down in it.
Yeah. The UK
I want to
flag.
say good night to all extended family, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we on the block here, you know.
Colors
Yeah,
out.
We ain't leaving the block.
Yeah, Colors right. Oh.
Well, I didn't even recognize that Keno was right here.
For so long.
For so long, I was just in the game.
Yeah.
So when me all up made, I was saying, damn, who is this young gentleman here? Yeah. So you're picking up off the British? I don't know why it delayed so long, bro.
I know. From 5 o'clock it meant to come after 5. From after 5.
So what do you say about this outfit?
It's bad, man. Come and say that like make them see. Take up your phone before you lose it. Make them see the Colors outfit. Jeez. It's like you
Color bars.
you just come off the plane, Colors.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
You just come.
You know, I see some fans of yours in the week here.
Yeah.
We were over there and me hear a lot of ladies depend Colors. Mr. Keno, when they go right, they say all the females, you know, they took out their phones.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Everyone's
Picture.
phone was on Colors, you know.
Of course.
Yes, me that big up some people from New York and in London, you know. Yes.
Great Colors, man.
Man, extended family, you know, Colors always a big enough, you know, man.
Of course.
Yeah, and you know, enough respect goes out to Keno. Because I want to know, say, if it wasn't for you people and Keno, I wouldn't live in a nice cottage right now, innit?
In it.
Yeah, I would live in a nice cottage.
You said
right
in
now.
it. So that's a
In it.
British flag coming in, right?
You know what I'm saying?
In it.
So, you know, no shout out to the extended family every time. Yes, all over the world, New York, London, Miami, Cayman, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Toronto, Canada.
Colors, cause they're tropical outdoor.
Yeah, man, everybody say them
Tropical.
love soul, man. Remember anything the boss to put on, you know, Keno?
Shot.
Have to be shot, you know?
Yeah, cause I have to take a couple pages out your book, you know?
Oh, gosh. Right, that's some man.
Right, yeah, guys,
Yes,
I take a couple
man.
pages out Colors book.
We say outfit and we say pose stuff.
See them with the pose and I use to dance.
And we say pose. But you know, they gonna get outside for now, you know.
I know,
They always took a good while to get out.
I know. That's gonna be a next long thing.
Yeah. Guess what reason I'm lucky, you know?
Wow.
I'm over here from night and hungry. Because nowhere is out here.
Okay.
But my duty was to make one of my friends drop me at Harborview. But a good thing, I never go. Because see,
Flight.
out there look right to get over and the flight is here.
Yeah.
Right.
Luckily, I could have seen you.
You get what I'm saying? Yes.
Could have seen you on the way back.
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah.
Because normally, I'm out there at night enough time and I don't have to fan down nothing, you know.
So you get something ready to eat.
This is what I buy. This can't really full belly still clean, but
Stop a gap.
yeah. I
Stop a
think
gap.
they call them horses. We buy them in the machine over there.
Oh, the kiss.
Yeah.
Kiss cake.
You know, at least
Yeah.
we don't feel like how me they feel anymore.
Before. Yeah.
Hey, I forgot to tell you.
One Colors guys. You know,
We change up around the cottage, you know. Where the settee was.
Yeah.
My big fire and tunes.
Him name 30 grand right now on TikTok.
Yeah, 30 grand.
Yes, so they shift over the settee. That's when my fans them sitting in the car just looking at TV.
Okay.
Yes, and you know, again they are very nice clean out yesterday.
Can you hear that?
You know, you're gonna buy yesterday. You and the extended family are gonna be proud.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
I went by yesterday.
The boom box. This is the boom box. Yeah.
It's a pure
And
nice
that's my pot to steam a fish.
Yeah.
Whenever time, yeah. And that's like tea kettle there.
I mean.
To make my coffee in the morning.
I mean.
Yeah.
I say your boom box.
Yeah,
Place like a mash up.
One thing, I'm ready to the extended family, you know, and you. Whenever time me come here and me get money, me don't do foolishness with it.
Yeah.
Always. Yes.
Make use of it.
Somebody, me meet a bridge and watch me and your program that this morning. I not 12 o'clock yet. He gave me $20.
Okay, not punch. Not punch box.
That's what you call the American dollars, you know.
Okay.
Like someone gave me $10.
I was just about to go and defend the thing and say, "Yo, on man for box is so much time.
Yeah.
$20.
$20.
Yeah, I said, no man, colors are not gonna take so much beat up, guys.
I can't even take one.
Yeah, $20.
It's the money, you know.
Okay,
Yeah,
$20.
Colors we are
So,
now watching from
correction,
house.
you know, it's $20. Yeah, not box. I mean, like, what? I'm gonna punch him up.
Watching me from the house was foul cover. Tell him return the cottage now. Yeah, man, the man could have tell me everything.
I know you're turning it into one resort.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, say couldn't hold more things in a key. Yes,
you want an expansion?
Yeah.
Expand out the thing.
Yes, because even my TikTok friend them, where you know at 20 days where they come link me.
Yeah.
They were so proud of me when they sent the picture I was showing them.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think one of them is coming to pay me a visit tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, so stay tuned.
Yeah,
We're there wait for everyone to come out. You know, so you know the thing. So stay tuned. So say about colours again, you know.
Yeah, but what do you want to talk about the soul?
Anja, see my eye when I watch England every day. You see me watching all the while, you need to change the one. All the while I watching, but I really smoking, drop out with you.
You always was keen on program, innit?
There's so many man, I look on him.
Calm down. Do you know colours?
Yeah. I don't know him, but
he's right. Is me that's talking to you, bro?
I England live still. I'm born and grew up, but I England
so,
live.
Him always when him
my first person, you know. But it come like I want my cousin, let me say.
Jaja. Respect man. Good man, most. Yeah. Cause them they do a vlog, see me, you know. Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man. So big up yourself, man.
More life we are saying now. For real, man. I love it, man. Yo, I always watch you.
Respect, man. Respect, man.
Love it, man.
Most straight, man. You know. You walk past me this a while ago. Yeah. Now you walk this a while ago.
Yeah, we just walk yourself.
Yeah.
I want to tell you some wife is and her sister them are coming and
okay.
I whip up people.
Are coming.
Yeah. My grandparents them are
summer break.
Things are going.
Summer break, man. You know everything. Summer, you know. Yeah. So for there for the summer, go on all the vibes, you know, the beach and everything. So guys, I see there. As we say, we have to pick up our view of them when we see them, you know. Respect every time. Yeah, man. Good time, man. Also, thank you as well for watching the program, you know. Keep it going, see me. Keep it going, see me.
Yeah, positive things they are doing.
Yeah. Righteousness. We stand for man.
Yeah, help a lot. People. Now him say but you, because if you know what they are put out the work, you know, nobody can.
No. Nobody not gonna work. That's what I do. My shoulder.
People, this man I met know me all over the world. People. This man I met know me. So I can't believe say you never see me on the video.
You know what I say? What you have next shot on the man. The man, you know, the most thing, man. Look at how he name was. No, man, Ross always dance, you see him too, you know.
I'm shot?
Yeah, I'm shot. I remember you always straighten him towards the house thing.
I was chef.
Like you get a lot of help for him.
Yeah.
Like him.
Yeah, chef at that.
house chef himself, man.
Yeah, when you go, I kind of feel the face still, because...
Virgin.
Yeah, because I watch it, and I say, up in the hills, I come from originally, you know. It's a man of August, I'm born.
Okay.
He's a man of Stony Hill, live still.
Oh, Stony Hill, yeah.
Upper Stony.
Yeah.
He's a man, you know, see, he's a man that travel a lot. From me, I youth me the America and them place. They were a big fan. America, Kenya.
Yeah. All both.
Africa everywhere in the world. Me I travel. You know, so
Hey, sister is here. Sister is here. Who that?
who this?
One colors.
Like with millions, 6 hours. 6 hours billion. We got the airport from like 10:30.
You can come across over the car park yourself? I know. Just leave there so we bring it across. One color to bring it across. Alright, it's my park. Cairo. Take Cairo one. Good.
Sometimes.
Remember,
So getting the pound.
big superstar, you know, so.
Yeah.
Take a look here. You see what she just gave the boss? 20 pounds, innit?
Yeah.
Innit?
Because I represent now £1 and pounds.
Oh my gosh.
No box. You never get the box.
I knew one
That's the new 20 pound we got here.
Yeah.
Yeah, she just gave me, you know. Yeah, the new ones.
Because you're not getting no box, you're getting pound.
Yeah, me tell Kino say someone gave me like $20. But
Yeah.
it's the US dollars.
Box.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you see, she knows we call it $20.
Yeah, man.
$20.
That's what I'm telling him. Say,
That was the real box.
yeah.
Guy, he was getting mad and I said, colors, we have to go hunt him, you know.
Yeah.
So I said, no, it's $, bro. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
So she was used to the
$20
pound.
it's so heavy.
Yeah, oh my gosh. The pounds are always heavy, you know, innit?
Yeah, always.
Always heavy.
20.
20.
She said this is the new one. First time holding one of this, the new one. Yeah. But
One.
Kino, you know when you're done, you have to take 2 pictures, you know.
Yes, I.
Yes.
Yes,
I'm sure. I'm sure in the house.
Put in them, yeah. Colors on TikTok, colors 876.
People them love me, you know. Oh my gosh. Alright, hold on now. I'm gonna show you a little touch of the cottage. I miss the outfit. What's it?
I like the brown.
Oh gosh. Then can't talk to the boss.
No.
Alright. See blue and white sweater with her. I meet a girl and she swears I was on a flight too, you know. Yeah. So she bring me over this to go get me some jelly coconut.
Okay.
Yes, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you in the cottage, you know. You want to see could the curtain them in the cottage?
So, man, what I
Yeah,
said?
guys.
What I said?
Colors is something else, you know.
No, but I don't know if I get none
It's
like
something
this.
else.
Yeah, you know if you tell me.
Yeah.
I go search.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, even tomorrow I can go see. Where you go back?
Long time. They have a long time.
Okay, now I start out something for you.
Yeah.
Take a look at this glass lady. When Kino when I buy this and Kino see,
Colors, your personality.
love it.
Your personality is the colors.
Yeah.
Everything are colors.
Well,
Gucci sheet on bed.
I used to say, look Gucci.
Colors.
I used to say, look Gucci.
Everything go.
Look Gucci.
Gucci palm bed.
Gucci palm bed.
So
Colors.
take a picture with me
I'll
and
check
Kino.
you.
Yeah,
You
come.
want picture?
Yeah, after take a picture with me and the Empress.
Last
man.
time I take picture, I'm gonna get that picture there, you know?
Yeah, I get them.
Oh, I get it.
One more.
But come to use the light, turn away. You know, if you use the light. Yeah.
I see it, man. Ready?
Aye. Make sure them nice.
So you come up a yard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow is a chill day, man.
I forgot look, see if I get a nice curtain.
You have time.
You know, man, I flap you, man. So, Kino.
Alright, then, call
Yeah,
us.
man, you see? So, I go and look for the money.
Yeah. Go hustle, man.
Yeah. Guys, you know that's colors. So go out, put in the word colors. Say no thing, guys. So. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome to another day. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. You know we here and we ain't no faker. You know the thing goes right. So yes, so welcome my sister back here in Jamaica. You know it goes right. Jamaica is home, the land that we all love, which is our home. Yes, guys. So you know, as I said, it's been a while. You know, and I'm so glad Ibo Spice is literally back open. You know, so that's where I'm going to right now. So you know the thing goes already, guys. When it come on to this time, Ibo Spice, yeah. You know when the breadfruit burger it tastes so nice. So that's what I'm heading to right now, guys. I'm heading to Ibo Spice to get myself a hot chocolate and breadfruit burger or the Ital food. I'm gonna get one of them. Not sure which one. So like I'm on my way, I'm gonna think about it while I'm on my way to see which one I'm gonna have, the breadfruit burger or the food, or have both, or have the ship, or let's see which one I go float. You see me? So that's where the spot is. Ibo Spice. Ibo Spice. Tell the whole of them about Ibo Spice. I said the breadfruit burger, it tastes so nice. You can't eat it once, you have to eat it twice. Hey, Ibo Spice. Tell the whole of them about Ibo Spice. I said the breadfruit burger, it tastes so nice. You can't eat it once, you have to eat it twice. It now have no meat, just strictly spice. Oh Lord, me have to say Jesus Christ. Ooh, that's what the burger have me doing, singing. Alright guys, so catch you at Ibo Spice. Yes, so see you soon. Remember, wait, don't go, come back. I am back. Please remember to put the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Always remember, okay? Thank you. Please don't delay. Like the video. Pick up yourself. Ibo Spice. Guys, here's the address again. 131 Street. Where is it? Aye. And trailer driver from overseas. Yeah, we buy a trailer load. You know, sir, Ibo Spice. We know everything is right. I want to say, me and Maria a while ago, I do an intro and I say, yo guys, right now I want to get the breadfruit burger, the food. You know which one? And the man I said, yo, go on man, get the breadfruit burger man. And I said, no man, food. Yeah. And I said, boy, Ibo Spice just have a hook with that. Yeah.
Still forward. Once them still forward.
Still me. Yeah. Well, I'm saying quick.
Yeah.
At least we're not late.
Chocolate and busy there too.
Alright. We're gonna make that a date. We get the chocolate and busy and a squeak.
A small one.
Yeah.
James. No, a small chocolate.
Right.
Yo, the truck driver said, yo, you love Keenan, you know. Mr. B, I got Keenan. I got Keenan with me.
Yeah.
My wife watch it really, you know.
Yeah.
But you know everything I go on.
Yeah. Yeah, you might watch what I go on, man. That's a half a 4 hour that I was wise, you know.
I'm a wife, you know what? You want to look good.
Yeah. Tell me the original banana. Yeah. It's about time, you know. So what, a customer banana them here? This is customer appreciation banana.
Too much dollar.
Yeah.
Warrior them, have to farm them and
Oh.
just come here and go to them.
Natural banana. You see the actual here guys and busy. Of course. See them. Guys, see? No steam. Trust me. Respect. So you see the hot chocolate with no steam. Trust me. The way it is hot, and the taste the lava erupt in your mouth. Quiet but deadly. No steam. And this is the squeak. So the both of these quinoa stew. Quinoa stew. Quinoa. That's it, you know. We say quinoa stew or quinoa. Quinoa. I don't even say like a quinoa here too.
A quinoa here a while ago. A quinoa. Oh, Julia peanut though.
And true my name Kino. I say what?
Quinoa is true.
I say I will change the name then from quinoa.
Quinoa.
Same thing me I talk about. Burn up on my mouth, nah lie. Burn up on my mouth. They say we're just talking about the same thing and then end up burn up my mouth. Swallow too much. Swallow too much. But you know why I actually miss it for so long. You know? Miss the actual for so long, so.
Kaya, take on yourself, you know.
What go on? Empress. It's been a while.
I saw one of your viewers the other day and she was saying oh she's me on but I said a long time
Yeah.
channel.
Them still remember the face though. Once them see the face they remember. General. Artist. Good never to my artist. Everything good done. Yeah, I go and shag show, you know. Yeah. No star. Mount Zion.
Old part of the say. You start to plow the farm and start to look at it as no killing, no use to the people.
Pull up on your foot. Pull up on your foot, 5:30.
But for a long time I drink that chocolate, trick me.
Yeah, you think it's cool?
I know it's not cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to take in too much a while ago. I'm bored up the whole of the top part of my gun so. What? Trick me. You know, I'm anxious for drink it. That happen. Anxious. You know. Can't stay at the island night. Real chocolate and busy.
food. You know, the thing goes already herbal laid. Quench the thirst. Not talking about lemonade, herbal.
So after you know where it is, approach it. Approach it caution. And so here you have to approach it caution here, so yeah, man. Approach it caution.
That's how you drink herbal.
You know?
Alright guys, so yeah, that is it. You know, I just left Ibo Spice. You know, I had that wonderful food and some herbal laid. I had the hot chocolate and the squeak and also a banana. You know, that's enough. You know, I had a lot. So we give thanks, you know, and give praise every time, guys. So blessed love. So let's take on the journey. And well. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Colors! Your mouth full. Colors, your mouth full, man.
Just wake up now.
You just wake up with your mouth full?
Yeah.
So wait there. So that's how I want to wake like you. I wake up with my mouth full. So wait, you sleep with that in your mouth?
What is that? No, just wake up and having it. Me change up, you know. Me change up.
Yeah.
Move the bed.
The colors, wait there, man. Like how you wake up with that in your mouth, you have to eat it out of your mouth because you cannot hear the twanging.
Wow, okay.
So you just take your time, get it out. You need water because I notice it's bread.
Yeah, I have water in the fridge.
Yeah, I don't want to choke on camera, colors.
Okay.
Hey guys, colors, so that's when we wake up with food in our mouth. So just imagine that, yeah? So we give thanks.
I didn't know you were recording, I swear.
You swear?
I thought I saw the camera too.
You know, she run right in for the camera, guys.
Because I was looking for you were videoing.
Okay, I'm that video him going down to get something.
I like it.
No, it's a record.
Say if you can't scrap it on Saturday.
No, I can't scrap.
Why you gonna do that?
It's already gone already.
Say I go, what you gonna do? Just something kind of everyone?
No. Yeah, you know it already.
Don't do that.
Yeah, already.
Face on the internet.
Yeah.
Everybody open the
Yeah, it was so bad. Alright. Where's the colors? I'm speaking from colors now.
I was playing music today, you know, before me drop a fleet, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Drop a fleet or drop a sleep?
I fell asleep.
Wait a man. Where you say? Fella who? Drink no water colors. Because it seems like today the bread make you speak different type of accent we don't understand.
Wow. I'm coming, bro.
Eh? Alright guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna head up to Marmy River.
Why you want me to twang, bro? You don't want me to chop what?
He doesn't want us to talk like a little bit of a patois.
Yeah.
The British accent.
Yeah, give you a British accent.
Yeah, I've got a London, I've got a Birmingham, I've got a Corny, I've got a Scottish, I've got a Manchester. I've got all of them.
You got all of them?
Yeah, I love the London ones, a little bit more different to certain things, I'm telling you that, yeah?
Yeah.
I just really like to talk in like different accents. I think it's like really fun. And it's a little bit more different to talking, a little bit more different accent. I've got a Russian accent.
That sound like a Russian just now.
I've got an Italian. I want to look at cheese on my pizza. I've got lots of them.
Yeah, so that's 2 already. So give me some more.
I give you a lot more.
Give me more. What else you got? Colors, she got some accent. You want to borrow too?
What is it?
She got some accent. You want to borrow too? You want to borrow a few?
No, I don't need to.
You don't need to?
No. He doesn't, because he's got like a really lot of accents already.
Yeah.
You've got a pot one, you've got a English one.
Yeah, English one. Alright then, so this is the mistress of all different accents. You know, she's got the accent of all accents. I don't know where she get it from, but I guess she go on.
I guess I studied it.
I guess so, right? What's your name?
Paradise.
What?
Paradise.
Is it Paradise or Paradise?
Both. Either way you pronounce it is how you're gonna get it.
That's the same way.
Yeah, so it's Patwa is paradise.
Yeah.
But like
in French?
Paradise.
Paradise. In British?
What would be paradise?
Paradise in English?
Paradise.
Paradise.
But in
Russian?
Paradise. For us. You know, when they don't really listen to me. I've got lots of them and I don't really use them a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah.
She got them.
You guys like my nails?
She got them, guys. She got them. So, alright then. So, I'm gonna give 2 donations and then I'm gonna run to Mama River to go see Cranberry and thing. Whoa! So, well, an accent, Mrs. You know, Jackson. Hold on. Jackson, we have 2,000 here for you. From Max. Yeah, from New York. Whoa! So 2,000 here for you from Max.
Yeah. Love every time. Give thanks and praise to every team. Yeah. One team. Dream team. Yeah, big up yourself every time. Yeah.
That is it. So, whoa! I have 2,000 as well for you from Max from your place.
Max at my place, boy. Max.
Which place are your place?
New York, man.
Oh, what you have on Canada? What go on?
Oh, now watch this people, man. Cause I love Canada too, you know.
Yeah.
You better watch this, man. I love Canada too, you know. You saw some New York after the light, them upon it.
What's it? Bling in.
Yeah, man. USA.
Yeah.
Listen, I said, Max, big up in enough love, you know. Right now, Max, the sun a click up on it.
River
we are going now, you know.
Yeah.
Man, the river, you know. Yeah, because we even want to lift all the rubbish from out the door to melt, Max. Yeah, may I tell you. Enough big up, no, Max. Blessed love, you know.
Yeah.
Only for blessing, you know. Man, the river, coming at you, right?
Yeah, come here. 30 grand. Boom, come in, boom. So we have one for 30 grand. Yo, watch that shit there.
Yeah, man, you see it, man. I want 30 grand again, man. We're there, man, my family, man. You see it. Much love and respect to everybody, man. You see me, I say worldwide. Because you don't know, man. You see me, I say Kino Life in Jamaica. You don't know. Dream Team, one team. That's what the thing say. Outside.
Alright, so we have 2,000 here for you from Max from New York.
Big up yourself, Max. Enough respect, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Love and honor, man. You see me, I say every time, Max. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, my father.
Yeah. So boom, we have 2,000 here for you from Max.
Max, you don't know, blessed and one love, you know. Thanks, yeah, Max. Yeah, Dream Team, one team. Oliver and Carla, love you in my heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have one for Prefect. So Prefect is not here. Prefect is not here, so I guess, you know. Mama River. What color they change quick, man?
I'm getting ready, bro.
You're Superman.
Wait. Oh, yeah, this is my suit.
You're Superman.
This is my suit, I'm going to wear, you know.
Oh, what that bad man? Oh, this Moochie? A Gucci?
It's Gucci, me I tell you.
Colors change quick, like him going on the boot like Superman.
Yeah, man, I have them by the dozens.
By the dozens. Alright guys, so you know we're going to head out now and then also we can come back. So you know things stay tuned.
Genocide,
Pass on.
I went to the slave.
Please, your son.
Yeah, slave, the one a slave. A slave.
So I go on, G.
There, man, I go up on the river, go drop off something. Yeah.
Any of them put up my Ghana River. But I allow it till the next day.
Yes, man, go down.
Yo, me a big up the thing, boy. Jamaica walk by, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me I tell them, say, yo, big up Keen, same way.
Yeah.
And then kid me a town and downtown, man, them a cry for your town. So them once the Keen come to, give them a walk through one day.
We are give them a walk through. I'm just going to link you, man.
Right in our 4-way, man, Bedford Street, man. When they sell the jeans and the youth there, we see them. Them youth, they full of vibes, you know, man. Yeah, man, and them there, I tell you, some maroon there, knock out, and sleep, not now, go on. Them just a whole it. That's what I say, but I saw the work.
I say the work sometimes.
You know, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Rasta Jackson! Jackson! Energy! Yo! Me alive, me wake, you know. Jackson! They want the tune them, you know. And they must say, you're going good in a Jackson. You see? You're doing that, just still enough till we link, you know.
Alright then.
Don't know enough of family.
I'm for your maroon, man.
Maroon, man, no problem.
I'm going to say the breeze there, I saw the breeze.
Come to sleep, you want to sleep.
I tell them when I knock me and knock out my man. I say that, man.
Energy!
Yeah, man. Yo, energy with someone. Yeah, what? I don't know sleep when we wake.
Energy.
Energy. I want my own, one key in life in Jamaica. So I say, one Rasta Jackson, the whole family.
Yes, sir.
Nothing change my family.
Nothing. All the thing will change, just see there? That's the only thing will change, clothes and money.
Clothes will change and money. Not more. So I say, one love, one heart. One love, one heart, one destiny. That's how they think them, man.
Love, Jah.
You want a little piece of boy. Love, Jah, because I say, God. Love, Jah. Maroon man attack. Love, Jah. With the Bible in your hand. Love, Jah. Maroon man attack. Love, Jah. With the Bible in your hand. Every day they get up out, they gonna over your man. One rotten half head foot, rotten half hand. One to life man, a lean a dead man. Them they same thing, they no write it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day they get up with them fussing and fighting, with them gunshot and the spear and knife thing. And not believe me say in the love thing. God Almighty, I go spite him. He's the kings of kings and the lords of lords. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. I forgive thanks to my only savior. Love Jah. One man, old man. Here now and now. Guy tune and can done. People will put things are going in a jam down. Is like them price increase coffee. Mash us down. Will you put things are going in a jam down. Is like them price increase coffee. Mash us down. People stick out and tell me if I'm foolish. We use buy bills and buy pound of fish. Stick out and tell me if I'm foolish. We can't find money. We send the youth to my school. Who I make every day things are raised. Then soon raise it dead from out of the grave.
I want to slap.
I want to slap. The boy raise the dead out of the grave. Out of the grave, the boy raise the dead from. So that's Maroon man. You can't say Maroon man really today. I'm tired out. The breeze have him out. The energy to kind of knock him out, you know? But him still trying best. And put out the energy. As I can say, Maroon man a yarn. The man a yarn a while ago, see me the man. Look how them still like.
Worship go shout him a while ago, you can't know him, no know what's going on.
Maroon man a yarn.
Drop back, look away.
Yeah, you see the yarn, them yarn man. Maroon man tired, man, you can see. Because even time you out there put that up on the work, nothing really go on. And you find some comfortable, cool spot. Make you want to sleep, man. You can't wait to see the hours run off. And at that reach, you look a breeze that blue, you know? That blue. Man. Alright guys, anything else out there on the journey to go see Cranberry after them vacation, the mini vacation, you know? See them on the resort to enjoy themselves. Man, them have fun, man. Yeah.
Alright guys, blessed love. So we just reaching Mama River. And you can see there was some rain was falling as well. So the rain was falling down. Yeah, so blessed love. So guys, so here once again, we're gonna have another treat coming up. We're not gonna tell you who's the treat for, you know, till on the day. So you can keep think who you think is gonna get this wonderful special treat. Again, you know, there's gonna be another special treat. I'm not gonna tell you if it's gonna be an individual, if it's gonna be a couple, if it's gonna be a family. No, this one I'm gonna leave you guys in suspense. You know, I'm gonna leave you in suspense to think about who is it gonna be, you know, for this next treat that's coming up from Dana D. So we're gonna keep you posted and stay tuned on that one. You know, and pray to the Almighty that it's gonna manifest. And when it manifests, trust me, it's gonna be a wonderful experience, you know. I just wanna thank Dana D. We thank you so much. But trust me, this one. So let's go. Yeah, man, the granite look nice. Just want some paint when it's done and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Them up there? Them up there? Eh? Ah, me I come. Oh, you did granite the next side already? You just granite it?
No, yes, somebody finish it for the night because it's left some on the board.
Yeah.
We just finish for the night.
Oh. Look like it granite. Oh. It's a little shelf.
Yeah.
What is it, counter?
Yeah. We have a black on them, we have put the two have to put the pot and something them underneath it.
Yeah. You have put like some shelf underneath?
Yeah, underneath.
Oh. So up here says you have put the sink?
Up in the corner there, sir.
Oh, yeah, so?
In the corner there, sir, yeah.
In there, so?
Yeah.
Oh. So are the same size as your sink?
Yeah, but see, it's one little one, one little single one.
Okay. Are the right sizes?
Yeah, man.
You check out the price, Pete?
No, Papi, me the seat, you know, over all the way. I mean, it's a small one that nowhere it's more than that, sir.
So that does drop right in?
Drop in, yeah.
Drop right in. And you also know we say I put the...
Yeah. Okay. And then I see them have some thick loam to put on it.
I'm going to put the boat on it, I put a loom on it.
Okay.
So yeah, I see the board and nothing on it again.
It's a good look. Yes, you have that set up. Yes. So you have the board to make the shelf them already?
We have a board just a ply me I go use. Ply, put on it.
Thick ply you have to use?
I have to use the thick ply.
Can after a while?
Yeah, kind of water now touch it or nothing, so now I'm ply me I use for it.
Yeah. After a while, it might go already. Change the place hot, or me hot. No, so the first I come up here, I sweat so much. Oh,
we just done duty, you know.
I come like it worse. Yeah, listen, the time get warm and all that. The time get hot. Hot. Yeah, laugh. I will give you a joke.
We want to go back.
Liquidness. So I'm going to charge me, I have a donation for them, so I'm going to go up, you liquidness for them one and come back. Yeah, liquidness and liquidman.
They look like them come down and the dog run for them dog come down there. Like I come down at home. You want to say I try to kill her?
What if I hide from you? I can't deal with you. I can't deal with you.
No, you look like a bit. You don't want to hear your eyes coming out.
Sorry, I see the conversation.
No, that's what you see. You see everyone out there about slippers. Everyone there them to put tight for
You like slippers?
Oh, bad. You're cool. You said that, eh? I will not come back home cook. Eh?
Not coming back to cook, nothing for you.
Oh my God,
That's your business.
You see?
You have money?
Yes.
You go on there now, just take a, you know to find it.
No,
just take a taxi.
So why you not drop you and Jay then?
I have to drop you. You drop Jay then, but I drop you everywhere.
This is yeah, I'm afraid I did it.
Yeah, I'm glad you see.
Yeah, you're big.
I'm glad you see.
Yeah, Jay then will come over Kine, you know. Yeah, Kino. We told Kino come back, come never ask him why I never bring. Some say, hey, let's see Kino saying can't bring the whole away. I said, Jay Shabbat, you know, Kino. I've come back and I saw them face let's up and come down. See them come here? Watch out, I'm going to go call 99.
Look, come on, me account there. What go on cookings? There's been a big cooking going. We missed the pot. I look like me asking my teeth. Right. So it come like a long time it miss. No, sir. Chunks, I first I come up here, sir?
No, man.
Oh.
Come for one time with already and I come give them donation.
Oh.
Second time I come up here, man.
You say me hot like fire. Good day. Your mother there? She cannot work. I just own her alone there?
And my sister.
Which one? Damn, it's hot. You're hot though. You see? I know me alone hot. You hot, Nana? Them just come out of the water. Me hot like fire. Me a donation for the 2 hours now. Your mommy is not here. So who in charge of the money when time if they give it to me? Your big sister? Your mother?
Yeah, when their mother comes.
So who will keep it?
The big sister.
The big sister? Alright, go and call the big sister. If you see a share, keep it till your mother come.
So why you gonna the sun dance boy?
9-9. And you know why the place are no breeze now blow, you know? No breeze, look, the tree them is so still. And them say Ken. I Ken any name?
No, Chad.
Oh, Chad. No, Ken. One here, Ken. Oh. Wait, I saw far in there. Yeah, 5 room around the back.
What's your name? Keisha. Keisha.
You got 5 room now around the back.
Keisha. Come here, please.
You shall sing.
Excuse me. I'm afraid of my mother.
You shall sing.
Hello, how are you? Come now, why you hiding?
Behind the door.
Shoot this.
No.
It's for the camera. But I don't worry. So me give them and them can keep it to when the mommy come then, right? Yeah?
No, I really can't shame it.
Ja. No, that don't look good. That don't look good at all, baby. That don't look good.
Alright, come here, sir. Come here, sir. Look, man. Come here, look, man.
What are you doing?
Come here, sir, Cranberry.
No, go back. She don't get no. Go get something, man. Well, you still want to beat me up with your friend there. Yeah?
Coco, Nana. Come here.
Alright, guys. So here what's happening. So Liquor Man and Liquor Miss, the mom is not here. You know, so I got a donation for them from Sharon and Tally. You know, from Jersey. You know, which is, you know, whenever they get the money, they always give it to their mommy. So the mommy is not here. So she said the big sister, right? So they said the big sister would in charge of it when time the mommy come. Alright, so I got a donation here for both of them. Okay, you know, them are fan as well too, you know. So I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. Right, so it's not Cranberry alone I'm fan out here. You know?
Who have fun? You can't take any shine, man.
Alright, come. So, oh, she? Alright, so Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. So for the both of you, know. Liquor Miss, leave, if she don't talk to her, because she don't want to come out here in the camera.
No, I'm afraid of the camera, man.
Yeah. That pass me, General? Yeah. Make him pass, yeah. Alright, so we are donation Liquor Man and Liquor Miss, brother and sister, twins of twins, from Tally and Sharon, which is, this is 15,000 for the both of you, right? So you know, so I'm going to split it half. You know the maths?
Yeah. Split it half for all I know.
What are the maths?
7,500.
Oh, look, come on. Yeah, look, come on. Oh, yeah.
I don't like maths.
You don't like maths? Oh, what you like?
Language arts.
Like language arts. Look at me, say like maths. So quick and fast, look at me, get that one there. That means I look at me, I have to keep the money there and change it, you know. So you know, me and it, I look at me and like I should win that one there, right?
Yeah, you forget the box, I never.
So this is $15,000 a year for the both of you know. Right from Tally and Sharon from New Jersey. So you go ahead and tell them thanks first. Sharon and Tally.
From New Jersey.
Yeah. So tell Sharon and Tally.
Thank you, Sharon and Tally, for the $15,000 from New Jersey. New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yeah, that's a lot also.
Come on, your turn.
Thank you, Sharon.
Sharon, yeah.
Sharon
and Tally.
and Tally from New Jersey.
What else?
Thank you for the $15,000.
Cool.
She did that beep, see it,
Alright, so we give thanks to Sharon you know, and Tally from New Jersey. We thank him so much, you know, for the donation, you know. All right, you thank him to Miss Cranberry. Okay, they are. Come, thank
I'm
them.
gonna get mine.
You need to get yours. Thank Sharon and Tally for that.
Thank you, Sharon and what's your name?
Tally.
And Tally. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and do have a wonderful day.
Yeah, he didn't know ski, he didn't know.
Alright then, so that is it, guys. So come, we're gonna phone aside now. Alright, look at Miss later. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back down. We have one for Nana. For Nana birthday gift. Brownie, go on. Alright then. Alright, my children. Come, Nana.
Mother, come here. Daddy. 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 Me say no, Daddy. Yo, I'm going to get you. You can't send me back up already. Look at chicken. Chicken, deep. Eat that one deep. I'm going to this now.
Toko, you okay? When the right time comes.
Everybody over now, who are over playing?
Hello, dog, you get big, you know?
Yeah,
big.
Evening. Look for one a ring. Beer is just know this.
Yeah. White nose, I get big, man.
No, some phone. Okay, no. My other phone, my shopping out. The phone is not work so 100. You have. Are you mash it up right now? Yeah, mommy, I can't. You can fit up. Mommy, want to popcorn? Yo, give me a phone. I'm going to mash up this. phone.
Nana, want to put one top over that top, over there.
Mommy, want to shirt.
Nana, coffee.
Cheers.
Watch out. Are you alone and go down the hill now? You think I'm here, you are alone and go down that hill there?
Stop there.
Toko. Take it back, Lily. That one there. Put it over that. That is it. That is it, miss.
Go back at Ocean.
You don't want to find a way. Just take a bus and tell them say you want to go back a hotel. Same like how you say?
So you can't pay for it.
The same way, just take a bus, right?
Just say a cleaner. The same man when you
Yeah. Yeah, man. Just take a bus to any hotel. Any hotel at all, okay?
Every morning you have to see me as a bee.
Right, Mons. Why ain't we dropping? Alright, Nana, you ready for this?
Today we can wash. One of them clothes are come up.
It's too late for wash now.
It's like tomorrow. Early we are wash them tomorrow.
Nana, you put on your powder.
Today, I can't rest up. Today, I'm going to be late.
Which beach? Which beach you go?
No. I see it. Where you bring them? Look out, see my man. My man is different.
Different, of course.
That's why I want to rush up.
You're different, because you're different. She said her neck different, ain't you? How it different? How your neck different?
I'm neck black. Look on that, my father wear black.
Charge you, where say recover yet from the trip?
Why? Yeah, it's still in a museum, yeah, brother.
It's like you know, I'm rich. Just show them come my price. The price don't want this.
See you, me, though.
Yeah.
Still no recover. Well, that thing will take a while to come out of here. Well, it can't come out. The memory worse.
Can't come out. The memory can't come out.
Feelings worse can't come out. Not at all, boy. I'm not lie. It's our blessings, you know. So alright. So alright, guys. So here what I'm saying. I got some donations. So if you don't hear your name in this donation and I want to give, you know, we might never get a chance to write down all the donations, because what I always have to do, I have to write down the donations them first and then call the extended family, you know, and then tell them who to give it to, so I don't get a chance to write down all the donations. But I just have to just do this one today quick because I was kind of running out of time, so I have to do this one quick and then I'll just do the rest. So I only brought two, you know, I brought one for Nana and one for Cranberry, so if there's any more I need to write up, then I would definitely have to return back like the Jedi. So Nana did celebrate her birthday down by a resort, enjoying herself. Look at me, you were crying? Or you were crying? Were you crying for you?
Yeah. Yeah, when we took out tonight, the night, when I have you. Yeah, Cranberry now, come back.
Oh, she can't
come.
When you
why?
I didn't want to go to.
Oh, guys, here look at me, see that cry. She never get to make the trip, so I'm saying there's more in the pipeline. You never know when, you never know how.
We are just and something that I left George then.
When I bring you next trip, yeah, of course you have to go. Touch it.
To my friend, I was with me now.
Yeah, I go down again.
Yeah, come here, we just stop it.
You bet? Come, bet. Bet. You see, she even bet at the wrong thing that you should have ever do. I say, we're going to see the difference when times we will leave her and she cry and we'll come back. Right, Nana? Exactly. Look at me, I got to replace her because Cranberry get her in. Oh, bet. She really have the heart to bet me. So she's sure about me. No, guys. She gone too far now. She's sure. She's too sure. So, Nana. Alright, so I have a donation. Charge me have a donation for Nana belated birthday spend. You know? Or belated spend. You know? So Nana, we have $6,000 a year for you. Right? From unknown from Brooklyn. You know? This is 6,000 a year from unknown from Brooklyn for your birthday.
Thank you, Allah, for the 6,000, and may God bless you and do have a wonderful day.
Alright, so here's the 6,000. So thank unknown.
Unknown, thank you for the 6,000 for Nana, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
Charge, you can thank
unknown. Thanks again, man. Only for Anna, man. Thanks again, man.
Yes. So Cranberry. We act like you're sure of me, but you have to go. Let me say, oh, you have to go now.
I lie, you never say after sorry.
You're sorry? Yes, so no. So I have $3,000 a year. Yeah. I have $3,000 a year from Angela from the UK.
Thank you so
much, Angela from UK, and God bless you.
Angela from UK, thank you so much. And make her food basket the work in here. And may God bless you.
Yeah. Alright, so Charge, big up Angela.
Yeah, Angela, thanks again, man, from the UK. More thanks again, man, and more blessings.
Yes. Yeah, man, as I say, Charge, the people, them always attack, boy, you see me, I say? God, trust me. I must say, Ever, Dana D. Yeah, one of the reasons why.
I thank you again, see you here, man, because I can't come out of one.
Yeah.
Thanks again, man.
Because you are the reason why she really come up with this trip. You know, because she realized, you always are putting in the work no matter what. You see me, whenever we come here, when you're sick, you still at work, same way. You see me, that's because you're making the effort for the family. And she said, you know what, I have to go give him a trip so he can take the family with him so he can go and enjoy himself, you know, because he deserves it, you know. That was why you see this come, you see me. Because you know Cranberry should bring blessing, but your effort, it brings a lot, you see me, it speaks loud. You see me, because I'm say the opportunity was there till you say so you want this for your family, and the people are really proud of you for that, you know. Trust me, right through your state, as you come out of the hospital within no time you want to go back to work, and them, trust me, you see me, them really proud of you, man. That's always you them at talk about, you see me, always. So just continue the great work, see me, man. You see me, I'm say you never know what's else in the pipeline, you know. And as I said, guys, we have a next special treat. We're not going to say who is the treat for, you know, if it's for a family, is it for individual, who is it going to be. We'll have another treat is coming up very soon. So with that treat there, you're not going to know who it's going to be till on the day. When time I say, yes, it's that day, then you're going to see who we're taking out, you know. So this time we're not forgetting on the thinking box and think who is it going to be or what it is, you know. There's going to be a special treat, trust me. Woo! So we give thanks to our extended family, you know. Yeah man, and a special treat in the line, man, trust. We can't say it yet. We have to say it like when it's on the day, you know, they're going to know who it is. You know, So I'm saying, man, we give thanks. It's a blessing program, you know. Trust me. You still feel like you're in the pool, oh?
Now yesterday we built the pool that there was everybody come like the pool that look like but still over somewhere.
Same way though. Yeah, so man, the pool water, the vibes, the place, everything.
9 is the 15th of birthday of August.
15th of August?
Yeah.
And
I treat a Jaisha one.
Who's three?
I tell you something here.
Me?
Are you born August, don't you?
September.
Oh, September. Okay. My sister is here, you know. She's at Jamaica, so I'm going to bring her and come look for you. You see me? Yeah.
Hey, daughter. Wow.
Well.
Can I not see your daughter pretty? I want her number.
You want her number?
One lady, but Monday, she did call me, she did come over, about 3 times she ever come over. She just say, she did want Cranberry come with her, she must say, come here, makeover. She does say, she did call me, but I won't go up on the room, but she say, she did call me, so I end up call her back.
And she said, why I never stay Monday?
She does say, Monday, she does come for her, she does send a car for her, but I tell her she does come. Because I just want to send her with just so.
Where?
My salon. Supposed to Barbican there.
Oh, she want come here for go.
Monday, yeah, for her here.
Oh, when?
Monday.
The Monday where he come. Then
she said the Monday I come, she don't make her come with her.
Oh, I just share
alone. And she said for buying a bread.
She don't just buy the bread and do it.
Oh, she could have braid it.
And put on the something that's sticking, something them.
Oh.
She said she cut my fingernail them.
What is it for me now? You can see where we are going to jump off, baby corner.
When?
No.
Again? I go back in the water again?
So go put on the
No!
to down there.
Me don't want to down there, because I'm just the front alone, the whole like cover on.
Which part?
Down our front part. Who tell that? Who pass the sound there, the side part?
Pull back, I'll take
So nobody see me.
Which one you thought? Boomer?
Yeah, the tall one.
Oh, the new pool? Oh, tall.
That's the small bag.
But when I pull it back, man, I show it. And the lawyer saw last night, it full up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to pull it back.
Come kind of see it look deep.
Yeah, so like deep, man. So
But over there, so if you pass it, some of them,
You're dead.
no, all your foot dead.
Oh, if it then.
John! Yeah, go dead when you're John. Maybe not.
Yeah.
No, because you can't.
Come see it, I'm kind of look at myself, wait, look kind of deeper
Alright, deep, man.
than before. You swim there?
Yeah.
You swim there, Nana?
Yeah,
Tell them, don't go down there, don't make a pull it, we're going to pull our back to our back. We're bust back to the side, drop it back lower.
Drop it back lower, so the water run out back. Yeah. Because you know, for keep an eye upon them just in case.
Drop back lower, bro. Yeah, I don't want to catch you down there.
Go for your, listen, go for your phone, I give my daughter number. My daughter, what them time? She's about 11. She's about Cranberry age, 11, 12. Yeah, about 11, 12. That this 18. Daughter. And my son that.
It's on a 9.
See. You go swim back again too?
Two consistent, tell her.
Lie.
Yes,
No, Nana.
Daddy.
She lie down. She lie.
There. Daddy, up here. Yeah. Fake.
You fake long time. Fake. No, Nana. Fake.
What's so called? Let's see.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna run now, you know, so I'm gonna say stay tuned. You know, we're gonna have another special treat. Well, obviously Cranberry now get no more special treat. That day is done.
When you got them on us?
When? Yeah, you know. You wanna go there by nose? Yeah, turbo, yeah. But if you wanna go, we can't bring Cranberry though. Yeah? That's the only way. I will tell her say she's not coming.
Yeah, ball.
Yeah, one ball, it's a ball. Yeah, man, we can't bring her. Right, Nana? Alright. So we plan it, okay? So when time I plan it, make you know. Okay? So the kids themselves at them time for they never knows. Watch me, man.
Mommy, where me have a job?
Charge it. Look more now. I want to Harry, I want to you. You okay?
How do I do it?
Alright, Harry.
How do I do it? Come down now.
What knows I want to look for booty.
Wow, Jack, wow. I see you. It's a form like a Pompino. Yeah, come.
and she too.
Okay. So what's your artist name? My name is Kino.
Kino.
Yeah, I also do charity in Trenchtown, you know. I goes by Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube. You can check me out as well too.
Man,
you
definitely.
know, I know the thing as well. You know, I want
verified.
Yes,
the
right.
Verification.
Yeah, man.
That's all good.
So the artist name?
Queen Imina.
Queen Imina. Where you get that name from?
Well,
Africa?
It came from Africa and Rastafari too.
So
yeah, man. So my parents Rastafari.
Yeah.
So that's my name from birth. That's my legal name.
Yeah?
Yeah, Imina.
Queen Imina. Well, you have the queen on the birth paper as well too?
Well, that's the title that I got.
Okay. Well, it's Imina.
So, yeah,
I like the name.
Let me take that as my artist name, and then in Africa, because we do a lot of things around the world.
Okay.
Then I give me a chieftaincy title in Nigeria. Chief Queen, so I actually get crowned as well.
Yeah. Of course, Queen I heard, man. Yeah. I like the name unusual. So that means. Yeah, now I mean. Yeah. So that's the name it goes by on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, so you're streaming on all platforms.
Yeah.
Your Vivo channel as a Queen.
The Vivo is coming.
It's coming.
Yeah. When I first came out, it was Sister Imina.
Okay.
So for like a decade, that's how we grew as an artist, and
that's
how the thing go on. But now. Queen Imina since 2021.
Okay, so once they go on YouTube and type in Queen Imina, it pops up.
Yeah,
so let's give them the spelling of the Imina.
Okay.
I know they can spell Queen.
Yeah.
You know what? Imina.
Iminah.
Okay, you see, Iminah. CNAH. Queen Imina. So unusual name, so you probably have an unusual voice.
Well,
you know.
Sure.
So we go with them original.
Yeah, man.
So we are for them.
Well, you know, let me put my bag down.
Yeah, gang, all is there. See there, one gang. And we have over here.
Tough like iron.
Tough like iron. Solid. So, Imina, where you say?
Yes.
Set the place on fire, no?
Yeah, man. It's Queen Imina coming to you from ghetto to goddess, from Jamaica to the world. We just left Mommy River today. On a hot day, had a cool time at the river. And I'm actually just getting back from shooting for my music video, Original.
Okay.
New single coming soon, so stay tuned. So I'm going to give you something original right now. African woman original, see me wifey material, Miss style be so mystical, makes me not so typical, be who I am, love where me from, original African woman, the creator of a master plan, and with wisdom we overstand, when me say original, origins, roots, ancestral, terrestrial, I go on with the primary flow, now that you know they on the dance floor. Shake it original. Make it original.
Just them
shake it original.
Hey.
Boom!
Boom! Whoa, you know?
Yes, man.
Original, you know?
Yes, I big up yourself.
See, the African Queen. That's the whoa, you know?
Yes, give thanks.
Jamil, and I tell the man named Jamil.
Empress, what you say? We up for them?
Yeah, you know, it's the one and only Tough Like Iron. And we're here, as I said, we just leave Mommy River, as the Empress did say. You know, it's a good vibes, and you know what I mean? We're feeling so nice, holding our vibes, just you and I, and everything right. You're my sunshine on a rainy day. Can't tell when last I feel this way. And I've got so much things to say to you, to you. Can make me bubble upon a reggae beat. Play rock steady and rub it up for me. I make me live in perfect harmony. It's true, it's true. Cause this a loving with a rockers type vibe. Me give him loving in a different style. It's a loving with a rockers type vibe. Me give him loving in a different style. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Yeah, man, iron.
Tough like an iron.
Outside.
So that's what them find you on all platforms as well.
Tough Like Iron on all platforms. TUFFLIKEIRON.
Tough like an iron.
I have a clothesline too. This is from some, you know, one of my garments from my clothesline and thing like that. You know what I mean?
So the top as well as just the
well,
bottom?
the top is actually my brethren design short yard, you know, so we're always, you know, promoting our products and you know what I mean? Entrepreneurship and business and all these things. So, you know,
so that's the summer look, the summer wear, the everyday
tough
wear.
like iron clothing, short yard, you know, the whole link, you know what I mean? That is it.
That is it. And so we have the general over here.
Yeah, you know it's Ananaki representing for us, Kino.
Live in Jamaica.
Live in Jamaica. See? So you don't know the thing go. Where they just come from where? Miami Beach.
Miami River.
Miami River. Come, tell them.
Yeah.
Where they man, it's Ananaki live scene. For Black Lives Matter, for all the brains them splattered, oh, with the professional shatters, oh, cracking brain like a crackers, yeah. Black people taking over, united stronger than them rover, no, we bullying at the police and soldier. This are the Malcolm X mix with the Black Panther, them finno. Yeah man, you don't know it's Anunnaki live. I say, yo, check out Kino live. You see me?
Yeah.
Hot. One time.
Anunnaki, big up yourself. I saw them find up on all platform too. Anunnaki.
Yeah, man, A-N-U-E man, N-A-H-K-I. Anunnaki, seen?
Anunnaki, Rastafari. One gang, you know, it's never two. One trench stones. That's true.
Back, brother.
Help me out, man.
No, one. See a Garrett there. See a Garrett there. You just Garrett. Yeah. No, see a just Garrett there. So it's all as well. Yeah. See there. Yeah. One trench stone. You know the thing, man. Empress, Amina.
Yeah, man. Let's link on Instagram and and get your page. Yes, give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Watch I know. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.